Good day everyone, my name is Warren. I present the chapter 6 of operating management on inbound and outbound marketing management. Inbound and outbound marketing are two distinct approaches that businesses use to attract and engage customers. Each has unique function, strategies, and outcomes, which play a critical role in comprehensive marketing management strategy. Here's a breakdown of their key aspect and a reflection on their effectiveness. Inbound marketing function and strategies. Function: attracting qualified leads, focuses on creating content that draws potential customers through search engines, social media, and blogs. 2. Building brand authority. Establish a brand as true leader by delivering valuable, educational, and engaging content. Number 3. Customer-centric approach. Provide solution tailored to the needs of the audience rather than aggressively promoting products. 4. Lead nurturing. Utilize tools like email marketing and CRM system to guide prospect through the buyer of journey. There's strategy, content marketing, blogs, white papers, ebooks, and videos tailored to audience interests and pain points. 2. Search engine optimize or SEO. Enhance visibility, optimize website and content for search engine. Number 3. Social media engagement. Build relationship and trust by interacting with followers and sharing valuable information. For email campaigns, provides personalized, consistent communication with prospect and existing customer. And reflection po natin na inbound marketing is a long-term strategy that builds trust and establish credibility, while it requires time and effort to see result in trend to generate higher quality leads, foster stronger customer relationships. However, it relies heavily on consistent content creation and analyze to adapt strategy effectively. And next, lessons chapter 7 of this is chapter 7 of this operation management. Specialized travel operators and travel companies or agencies that focus on specific niches or markets within the travel industry. These operators tailor their service to cater to unique customer needs, offering highly personalized experience that differentiates them from general travel agencies. Below is an overview of their key, key characteristic, function, and strategies. Specialized travel operators play a vital role in the travel industry by catering catering to diverse traveler needs and creating enriching experience. Their success lies in their ability to understand and adapt their niche market, maintain quality service, and stay ahead of trends in the industry. With the growing demand for personalized and meaningful travel, these operators are well well positioned to thrive. Chapter 8 of the study: Marketing Strategy in Tourism and the Tourism Industry. Tourism industry is a dynamic and competitive sector where effective marketing strategies are crucial for attracting travelers, fostering customer loyalty, and ensuring sustainable growth. Reflecting on these strategies reveals the importance of aligning marketing efforts with involving consumer preference, technological advancement, and socio-economic conditions. Tourism marketing strategies are continuously evolving to adapt the global trends, technological advancement, and changing consumer preference. The emphasis has shifted from promoting destination to offering personalized, meaningful experiences. A strong digital presence combined with a focus on sustainability and cultural authenticity ensure long-term success. Hello, here's chapter 9 of this video, Motivation Strategy in Tourism and Tourism Industry. Tourism industry is driven by human motivation to explore, relax, learn, and experience new cultures and environments. Effective strategies in tourism, marketing, and operation align with this motivation, shaping the industry growth and sustainability, reflecting on the role of motivation and strategy. Planning highlights the intricate balance between meeting traveler desire, fostering destination appeal, and ensuring long-term viability. Motivation in tourism. Tourism motivation refers to the internal and external drivers that influence an individual's decision to travel. Understanding this motivation is essential for designing appealing tourism products and services. Here's chapter 10, Innovation Strategy in Tourism and the Tourism Industry. Innovation and strategy play pivotal roles in shaping the tourism industry, ensuring it involves to meet changing consumer expectation, global trends, and technological advancement. Reflecting on these elements highlights the importance of proactive proactive adoption and creativity in sustaining growth, enhancing consumer experience, and addressing challenges. Innovation in tourism enhance competitiveness and re- resilience by embracing technology, sustainability, and consumer-centric approaches. The industry can meet evolving demands and foster long-term growth. Chapter 11 of this lection, Destination Management in Tourism plays a pivotal role in ensuring that destination remains sustainable, competitive, and attractive to visitors, while benefiting the local community and environment. Reflecting on this concept highlights the interconnectedness of various stakeholders including governments, businesses, residents, and tourists who must collaborate to achieve shared goals. Destination and management requires delicate balance between growth and prevention. While tourism brings economic benefits and cultural enhancement, it can also lead to challenge like over to tourism, environmental degradation, and cultural dilution. Reflecting on successful example, such destination that prioritize community engagement and eco-friendly initiative underscore the importance of approach adapting strategies. As a traveler or stakeholder, recognizing the value of responsible tourism practices allowed individuals to contribute positively destination, ensuring they thrive for future generation. And chapter 12 of this person management. The accounting and finance department is more than just numbers. It's the core of an organization. Success and sustainability and growth is not only keep track of financial transaction, but also plays a proactive role in shaping the organization. Feature the department and function, foster accountability, ensure source opportunity, optimize and align financial practices with broader organizational goals. Personal reflection on working or interacting with such a department might emphasize the importance of attention to detail, the ability to work under pressure, and the need for strong analytical and ethical standard whether as student, employee, or leaders, recognizing the value of financial expertise reinforce the role is placed in achieving both personal and organizational success.